Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert text into video using Canva's AI feature. So head over to canva.com and log into your account. From the homepage dashboard, click on Create, go to Videos, and choose any size that you want. For this tutorial, let's use the landscape. To use Canva's text-to-video tool, you'll need Magic Media, which currently requires a Canva Pro account. To find it, go to the left side panel and click on Apps. Scroll down and click Magic Media. Then choose Videos. For example, let's make a prompt. A flower in a mostly dark forest miraculously grows. Click Generate Video. Canva will now create a short AI video based on your text. Just wait for it to finish processing. Once done, you'll see the generated result. Click it. So it can be added to your video editor. By the way, if you're unsure on what prompt to use, Canva can suggest ideas. Click Go Back and click on Inspire Me. Canva will create another AI video based on the text you suggested. Sometimes Magic Media may glitch or fail to load the video. If that happens, just refresh the editor, reopen the project, then reinsert the generated video. After refreshing, your video should display correctly. Once your text-generated video is placed in the timeline, you can go ahead and adjust its length, add text overlays, add music, and even combine it with multiple AI videos in one project. And just like that, your text prompt is now turned into a fully animated video. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.